Good morning, students. Probability exercise 15.1. Already sum number up to 5 was completed. That is sum number 6. In sum number 6, that is referred to table 14.7, chapter 14. So there it has given marks and number of students. Marks 0 to 20, that is 7, 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 40, 10, 40 to 50, 20, 50 to 60, 20, 60 to 70, 15, and 70 and above 8. So total number of students 10. Now in this question you have to find probability that students obtain less than 20% in mathematics test. So total number of students 90. And number of students obtained less than 20%. In mathematics test. So less than 20%. How many? That is 7. Sorry, 7. Then find probability. So P probability 7 by total 90. This one is the answer. A total number of students 90 and the number of students obtained less than 20% in that test, that is 7. So 7 by 90 is the probability of that one. And number 2, number of students obtained marks 60 or above. So number students obtained marks 60 or above this is 60 to 70, 50, 70 and above 8. So 15 plus 3, 23. Now to find the probability of this one. So PE 23 by total 90. So probability of this event is 23 by 90. Now, in sum number 7, two options are there. One is like, another is dislike. So, in this question, the students about the subject statistics, a survey of 200 students are there. The data is recorded in the following table. One is like, another is dislike. The like number of students is 135 and dislike number of students is 65. Now you have to find the probability of like statistics and dislike statistics. So number 1, total students 200. Number of students like statistics, that is 135. So P event of the probability 135 by 200. Now divide by 5. So you can't reduce more. So 27 by 1. Number 2, total number of students 200. In number 2 to 5, the probability of dislike. So number of students dislike statistics 65. So now you have to find the probability of this one. So 65 by total, the total is 200. So 40 by 1. Now P 9 by 1. The probability of this event is 9 by 40. Number 2, number of more than or equal to 7 kilometers from our workplace that number according to the exchange is 31. So now find probability. So probability of this event, that one is 31 by total number 40. So this one is the answer of 2. Now 8 Roman 3, total number of engineers 40 and number of engineers live within half kilometer from our workplace. Half kilometer, that is not mentioned. So that number is 12, 0. Now you have to find the probability of this one. So P 0 by total, that is called equal to 0. So this one is the answer. Now some numbers. 11. In this question, 11 bags of wheat flour is there, each 5 kg, and the following weightage of the flour is given, that is 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03. So first total number of bags count, that is 11. So number of bags contain more than 5 kg. So this one is more than 5 kg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have to find the probability. P, that is probability of this event. So that number is 7. So 7 by Sum number 12. Sulfur dioxide parts per million, and second is number of days, that is given 0.04 to 0.04. Number of days 4. 0.04 to 0.08, that number of days 9. 0.08 to 0.12, that is also number of days 9. 0.12 to 0.16, number of days 2. 0.16 to 0.02, that is 4. 0.202 to 0.24, that is number of days 2. So total number of days 30. Now in this question you have to find the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 to 0.16. So answer P, concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 to 0.16. You have to find the probability of concentration of this interval. There is 2. So 2 by total number of days, that is 30. Now divide 1, 15. So 1 by 15. So this one is the answer. Sum number 13. Blood group frequency. So blood group A, B, O, AB, 9, 6, 3, 3. Blood group O, 12. Then next, total. Add these all frequencies. 30. These are the blood groups and the frequency of it. Now in this question You have to find the probability of blood group AB. So, answer P. Student selected at random has blood group AB. So frequency that is 3 and total 30. 1 divide both by 3, so 1 by 10. So probability of student of blood group AB is 1 by 10.